One project that is currently blowing up is Rexas Finance, RXS, a token based on tokenizing real-world assets, RWA. Unlike meme coins like Dogecoin, Doge, or Shiba Inu, SHIB, RXS has a unique value proposition that can create a $1,200 investment into a staggering $144,000 within 9 weeks. The rise of RXS, a new player in the crypto market. Rexas Finance has quickly become popular among the crypto community, with its pre-sale on fire and a strong following that reflects investors' confidence. In stage 5 of its pre-sale, RXS is currently priced at 7 cents, which is already a vast improvement from its previous price of 6 cents. This project analysts predict that RXS will grow more than 183% by the end of Q4 2024 based on its performance alone. If the return is such a rise, a $1,200 investment would become more than $144,000, a tantalizing prospect for any investor. The pre-sale has been absolutely incredible. Stage 5 is now sold out with Stage 6 to follow, and RXS has now raised $8 million out of a target of $8.6 million. Not only does this overwhelming demand attest to the appeal of the project, but it also suggests the project's potential to shake the traditional financial system with its new asset management solutions. Future potential: why now is the time to invest? At the moment, Rexas Finance is gaining a lot of momentum, and it is an opportunity for an investor on the ground floor of a project that has a lot of potential upside. The price will rise from 7 cents to 8 cents before RXS transitions to stage 6 of its pre-sale. While this may seem like a humble rise, the influx of individuals recognizing the value of RXS tokens is increasing. This is an opportunity for investors to gain from this upcoming price increase and be ahead of what analysts are predicting for explosive growth in 2025. Early adopters of RXS could find themselves in for a potentially very nice surprise, as projections indicate that RXS will reach great heights in the market. In addition, Rexas Finance's model is a unique solution to the common problems that the retail investor faces, such as access to high-value assets and transaction transparency. RXS aims to bridge the gap between traditional finance and DFE as tokenized assets become more popular. Rexas Finance is a great name to look at as we move on into the future of cryptocurrency. As one of the few meme coins that does not support its token while focusing on real-world asset tokenization, having a strong community support and a transparency-driven approach to its business, RXS is offering an attractive investment opportunity that stands out from typical meme coins such as Dogecoin and its younger brother, Shiba Inu. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you.